Hello again. So today we're unboxing the Siege War for Cybertron um, Ratchet, Autobot Ratchet. It is a recolor of Siege War for Cybertron Ironhide. Now this toy is not available in the Philippines, and I was lucky enough to get a copy of it from one of the resellers online. So I'm really excited to open this one. I've been collecting Transformers for the past 5 to 6 years, and I haven't had a Ratchet yet. I started with the Combiner Wars, Generations Combiner Wars. There was a Ratchet that was released, but it was in a special box set, and I wasn't able to get that. So I was really excited when they announced that they were releasing a Ratchet figure. Actually, when I saw the Ironhide one, I was so sure that there was gonna be a Ratchet one, but I was kinda disappointed that it was an exclusive. I think it's a Walgreen exclusive, and we don't have Walgreens here in the Philippines. Anyway, I was lucky enough that when I asked a reseller if he was gonna do a pre-order for Ratchet, he told me that he was limited, but he was, and I was lucky enough to get into that list. So I finally have my hands on one, and I want to unbox it and have a first look at it with you guys. So before anything else, let's look at the packaging. It comes in a normal Siege box, which features a great artwork of Ratchet and the side, plastic window, the Siege artwork which appears on all of its regular releases. In the back, we have some product shots. Okay, so let's open them up. Okay, so here he is out of the box. See, he looks great. He's a really white robot, which is of course his G1 colors. He is the Autobot medic, so which makes sense why he is all white. He is an ambulance. He turns into an ambulance. Let's put it closer. He has a blue windshield. He sports the same hollowness, like which some are complaining about with the Ironhide mold. But he's a really solid figure, and I'm really happy that I finally have a Ratchet figure. If you want to, I have Ironhide here for comparison. See, they look good together, and they're bigger than the usual deluxes that was released for Siege. Yeah. Let's remove Ironhide's weapons. While they share, while it may look like that it's just a repaint, there are subtle differences with him and Ironhide. See, side by side, they have different sculpts for their shoulders. Also their hands, you can see some more different details there. Can you see it? There. Their head sculpt, of course, is different. Their feet. There's also some battle damage paint on Ratchet. It's not that see, there's some silver paint there, and over here in the back you can see more differences. The details here and here, those tiny details are different, and this is gonna be the front of the vehicle. It's also different. Their weapons are also different. This is Ratchet's weapon. Okay. Let's transform him. If I can remember how to transform him, it's gonna be around the same with how you transform Ironhide, I think. So if I
sorry. Unless you're transforming. Excuse me if... Hold up here. Nope. Sorry.
he is in his ambulance mode, Cybertronian ambulance mode. Sorry, I made a mess out of transforming it, and I wasn't able to show you how I did it. It's quite easy, I assure you. I'm just a klutz with transforming my toys, and it rolls like that. His feet are just hanging out there, just like Ironhide. But yeah, I'm really happy that I have a Ratchet. Here he is in his vehicle mode. Let's transform him into a robot. So first we untab this. And then split his legs like so. Just put it back like that. And put this back. Yes, I have legs. Now I'd peg the arms, swing them open like this. Okay. Actually, before you do that, it's easier to swing this whole part. Unpeg this one, then you can swing this whole part. That unpeg the arms. Flip the head, and then just like with Ironhide, slightly that, then and there you have it. He has two weapons. You could put the weapons here. He has a pistol, and you could also hold this one like this, or however you want to. Okay, there. I know this is such a lousy review. I really suck at transforming things. I just like having these toys. So anyway, I hope you get something from the video. Please do like this, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, see you guys later. Ratchet. Okay, so I hope, and there you have it. That's my video for today. That's the Siege War for Cybertron Autobot Ratchet. Thank you.